Hola clase, vamos a empezar escuchando a cada uno de los personajes, a Eric y a Angela. Y después contestaremos las preguntas. Las primeras son write true or false in your notebook. Venga, vamos a ello.
Unit 5. Reading. Track 46.
Online learning is becoming increasingly popular. Nowadays, there are many different kinds of courses and platforms. Read about Eric and Angela's experience. Eric, 17, Portsmouth.
I was thinking of doing a course in environmental science at university, but I didn't want to move to a different place. I was working at the time, and my friends and I were playing in a band. Then I found an advert for the Open University in a magazine and called them. I filled in the online application form, and now I'm studying a 1-year full-time course. I communicate regularly with my tutor by instant message and with some of my course mates through social media.
Bueno, sigamos. Vamos a corregir. Write true or false in your notebook. Eric studied environmental science at Portsmouth University. Is it true or false? Well, let's see. I was thinking of doing a course of environmental science at university, but I didn't. Because I didn't want to move to a different place. So, it's false. Okay, next one. He saw an advert for the Open University. Let's see. Then I found an advert for the Open University in a magazine and called them. So this one is true. It's true. Okay. We finished with Eric. Vamos a continuar con Angela.
Angela, 20, Leeds.
I was finishing my business studies diploma and some of my friends told me about something called MOOC. It means Massive Open Online Course. Many of them were doing courses while they were studying. I looked around and found a course called Leadership Through Marketing. I'm really enjoying it. There isn't a tutor. We correct each other's work, but I'm learning a lot. The disadvantage is that we can't communicate in person, but we do chat online or communicate by email.
Okay, let's continue. Some friends of Angela were studying and working at the same time. Okay, let's see. Many of them, my friends, were doing courses while they were studying, so it is true. Next one. She doesn't communicate in person with her course mates. Okay, in person. Not. We can't communicate in person, so it's true. Both Eric and Angela have an online tutor. Okay. Eric communicates with his tutor, but Angela, there isn't a tutor. We correct each other's work, so it's false. Okay, let's continue with exercise 3. Answer the questions in your notebook. 1. Did Eric want to leave Portsmouth? No, he didn't want to move to a different place. 2. Where did he find an advert for the Open University? I found an advert in a magazine. 3. What does MOOC mean? Well, MOOC means Massive Open Online Course. What was Angela doing when she found out about the MOOC? Well, she was finishing her business studies diploma. business studies. Okay, she was finishing her business studies. 5. Why did she choose this course? Okay, because some of her friends told her about something called MOOC. What doesn't Angela like about the course? Okay, the disadvantage is that she can communicate in person, or they can't communicate in person. Bueno, pues eso es todo. Ya hemos corregido los ejercicios. Mirad, también quiero que os fijéis en el texto, ¿vale? Lo voy a poner en rojo. Ahora, el uso del pasado simple y del pasado continuo. Vamos a ver. Past continuous. Vale, past continuous refers to actions in progress. Vamos a ver ejemplos en el texto. I was working at the time. And my friends and I were playing in a band. Simple past, or past simple. Okay. For example, I found an advert. You know, found is an irregular verb. Infinitive is find. We were playing in a band. Another one. I filled in the online application form. Filled in. This is regular, you know, the termination you did. In Angela, past continuous, I was finishing my business studies diploma. And some of my friends told me, this is past, told me, and I was finishing is past continuous. Bueno, eso es todo por ahora. Venga, nos vemos. Haced el favor de corregirlo en el portfolio. Venga.